Hi lovely people, welcome to my channel HS World. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to my channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by once again. So today we're making oha soup. If you want to know how I made this mouth-watering delicious oha soup, stay tuned. Let's go into it. So first of all, you need to introduce your stock into an empty pot, add in your onions, add in your Maggi, your salt, your Maggi. Give that a good mix, and then cover to steam. So we'll be using oha. This is my oha leaf. Okay, so I will show you the method of removing the oha from the stem. The stem is too tender, so when removing oha from the stem, you need to be very careful. If not, the whole stem will be in the oha, which oha leaf, which you wouldn't like. So that's how they remove it. So now this is my oha. You don't cut your oha with knife, okay? You need to use your hand to break it. You don't cut oha with knife. They break it with hand before washing. Okay. Now I didn't film the footage of breaking the oha, so I need to leave it aside. Now the meat is steamed. Add in the quantity of water you wish to cook the oha soup with. Add in Maggi, add in salt to taste. Give that a good mix and cover to cook. So next thing to do is to add in your oil, then crayfish, pepper, and Uzuza seed. Uzuza seed is compulsory, okay, to give you that sweet local aroma you need in making the. So I added in cocoyam. I'll be using cocoyam for my own thickener. If you wish to use ofo, if you wish to use achi, it depends on what you need, but I use cocoyam for my thickener. So next thing is to add in my stockfish, then follow up with ogiliokben. So next thing to do is to add in your ogiliokben. This is locust beans, blended locust beans. Give that a good mix and cover to cook. So at this point, everything is set, is done. Now introduce your oha, your vegetable, which is oha. Okay, you don't have to cook oha half done because it's not ugu and it's not spinach. So you have to allow your oha to cook properly, because oha is kind of hard. Okay, cook for some minutes, then give that a good mix. Our soup is done, it's ready. So if you watch up to this extent, kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up so that you'll be the the first person to get a notification each time I post a video like this. Hope you enjoy what you see, hope you enjoy what you watch. Thank you for watching. Bye.